There was a man named Rehan who never slept. Not because he couldn't, but because he was afraid. Every time he slept, he saw the same dream, a shadow chasing him. For years, he avoided sleep. He worked all night, stayed busy all day. People thought he was successful, but inside, he was exhausted. One night, he collapsed. A doctor told him, "If you don't sleep, you will die." That night, he forced himself to sleep. The dream came again. The shadow chased him, but this time he stopped running. He turned around and faced it. "Who are you?" he asked. The shadow stopped, and slowly it turned into himself. Rehan realized something shocking. He was running from his own fears, his failures, his regrets, his past. The next morning, he woke up peacefully. For the first time in years, he smiled, because he understood. You can't escape yourself, but you can face yourself. Lesson: the things we fear the most are often inside us. Subscribe for more interesting stories.